Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily change the sound settings on your CHiQ TV. So first, let's hop over to the settings. Now go to display and sound, and here choose sound. Now here we have the balance. So the first one, here we can change the balance of audio. So I recommend keeping it at 0. Now here we have the speakers. We can either turn them on or turn them off. Here we have the speaker delay, auto volume control, down mix mode, DBX TV. I'm not really sure what it does, so I won't check it out. Dolby audio processing, and here we can also reset those settings to default. So this is how you guys can do that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.